Hi Trader, Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. Today is Friday, so happy Friday TGIF. We're going to make it a quick one because I know you have a lot of things going on. Again, I'm not going to get too much into details in regards to my views on the SPY and IWM. I see we had a little bit of a pullback today. Right now I'm looking at the weekly. Let's switch over to the daily. Let's reset this chart. As you can see here, we had a bit of a pullback today off about 0.75%, but we've still maintained that uptrend, closed at 322.43. So I definitely pay attention to obviously how the market opens up on Monday and pre-market activity. I think we would be fine with a little bit more of a pullback, anything below 320, and I think there might be a bit of turbulence. So again, anything below 320 in the spine, there might be a bit of turbulence. I do not throw away my complete bullish thesis, but remember, markets do not go up in a straight line. Expect your pullbacks. We had one today. Nonetheless, I remain bullish. And again, check my recap on the IWM. What else do we have? All right, ticker LPTX daily chart up about 51% on the day. Congrats to the bulls. Closed out 161, down north of 6% in after hours. You see a quote of around 152, so that gets us somewhere around here. Today we went as high as 195 with confirming volume. You can see we surpassed shorter term resistance of around 185 to pull back to close at 161. Again, down slightly in after hours. See a quote of 152. Now, if that sort of action continues into pre-market trading on Monday, definitely you want to look out. There's this gap here to be filled at $1.12. If we cannot get above 161 heading into pre-market on Monday and during the first hour or so of trading, I would say I would be slightly cautious and bearish on ticker LPTX. What else? And moving on, ticker INPX daily chart up about 30% on the day, also slightly up in after hours. I see a quote of about 46 cents or so. But anyway, like I indicated yesterday, you really want to pay attention to how the stock opens up. Yesterday, we closed at around 32 cents. Today, we opened up at around 41 cents, which should have signaled to you that the stock had room to run. Went as high as 64 cents, almost a double before pulling back to close at 45. You can see essentially for the majority of the day, again, we just switched to the hourly. For the majority of the day, we essentially based, or traded within a range, clearly defined support of around 39 to 40 cents. Heading into trading on Monday, you want to pay attention to that. If we break 39 or 40 cents, definitely look out. But if you're looking to go long from a risk reward perspective, that seems to be an area that is holding. What else? All right, and then we have ticker SAVA daily chart up about 34% on the day. Another winner, so congrats to the bulls. Stock closed at $9.65. Now, if you actually go back to September of 2016, you'll see here that there's this gap to be filled at around $19. Obviously, we're not quite there yet. We ran into resistance today of around $11, pulled back to close at $9.65. It seems as though we're flat in after hours. Let's switch to the weekly to see if we see a better picture. Yeah, essentially the same thing. So heading into Monday next week, for those of you looking to go long, obviously you would want this particular stock to retest today's high of 10.95, obviously surpassing that. If we can actually surpass that and sustain that break above 11, you might actually have a real shot at $11. Not my cup of tea, but you might want to put it on your radar. What else? And let's wrap it up with ticker YUMA. We're going to stick to the weekly chart here, close to 395, just so it's a more of a compact view for some folks. So stock is up about 28% on the day. Another runner, right? A good good trade on the day, not quite as good as the others. LPTX gained around 50%, INPX and SAVA gained north of 40%. We put up north of 30%. By no means a bad day. That's actually a great day. Closed at 395. Again, you can see we ran into resistance here when we went as high as around $5.10 to pull back at 395. So obviously, let's switch to the daily to see if we see anything different. Yeah, about the same picture. Nothing different. So heading into you know what? Let's actually switch to the hourly so you can see that we actually had selling after we had this run up early in the day. We had about 2 to 3 hours of selling, and then it kind of we had a bit of spike heading into the close. Now, going into trading on Monday, if you're looking to go long, you're asking yourself, well, should I actually take a long position? Let me bring this down here, and what you want to pay attention to is that 380 level. So that, I would say, is probably like the line in the sand. Now, if we can stay above that, there's definitely a chance we can retest today's high of around $5.10. If we break this line right here, that $3.80 line, look out. More than likely, we're going to retest today's low of 365, and if that can't hold, then just throw the baby away with the bathwater. There's that gap here to be filled at around $3.06. So the key for me heading into trading on Monday, if you're looking to get long or you're long, let me draw that again, is you want to pay attention to this area here, that 380 area. Anything below that and things get a little bit shaky. So we're going to cap it there. Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com. Let me slow it down. If you enjoyed any portion of that video, do 3 things for me. 1, comment in the comment section. Are you in any of these trades? What about the SPY? Are you hedged? Any protection? Again, let me know. 2, I do videos every single day. We just surpassed like 1,400, trying to get to 2,000. Hopefully you can make that happen. Head on over to ShortMeTina.com. Well, we're not there quite yet. Second thing, head on over to our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina and make sure that you are subscribed. And the last thing I'm going to ask you to do, that's if you want to. Right now, we're hosting a 14-day free training course, right? Free training trading course. Tongue twister. Free training trading course, absolutely free, 14 days. I'm telling you some of the best secrets that I've learned trading the stock market for about 20 years. So if you want to sign up for that course, head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support. As always, TGIF, stay safe. I'll talk to you on